Hi everyone, Christmas is coming soon, so let's make a beautiful Christmas tree using crochet. So first we are going to roll this brown yarn on this stick and we are going to put these crochet designs on the top of it. We are making a Christmas tree today, so we are going to put all these green layers for the Christmas tree on the top of it and paste all of them using hot glue gun. So put the hot glue gun on the top of it and put different layers of the tree like we're doing here. We are going to use 3 to 4 layers like this, and look, your Christmas tree is ready. Press it and adjust it. Add more ornaments on the top of it and look, it is ready. In this video, we are going to make crochet flowers. You can use these flowers in many ways, like for hair clips, hair band. We are going to make these flowers on the top of this black rubber band and take this crochet needle. After this, we are going to cover 3 bands together. Look how we are doing here. You can take a red color as well or any different color of thread. And look, your flower petal is ready. Similar way, we are going to remove the thread like we are doing here and make a circle like this. Now we are going to increase and decrease the size for a proper shape. Look how we are doing here, and look, your flower is ready. Let's learn how you can cover these flower edges using this red color of thread. Here we are going to use this crochet needle and we are going to give a beautiful shape to the flower petal. We are going to cover the edges like this. So remove the thread on the surrounding like we are doing here on the corner of the flower petal like this, and we are going to cover it like we are doing here. Tie a knot at the top of it, remove the needle like this, and look, it's ready. Similar way you can make more such flowers. Generally, when we make the flowers, we don't know how to combine all of them together, put the leaves on the top of it and make a beautiful bunch of flowers. So let's learn in this video. Here we are going to put all the flowers together and take this green color of thread and tie knot like we're doing here. Now take another leaf and put it as well on the side of the flowers and roll the thread around it. After this, we're going to paste all of them like this using hot glue gun, and look, your flower pot is ready. We are going to make this beautiful yellow sunflower. We are making a mini sunflower here. We are using it for the hair clip. Later we are going to paste it on the top of the clip. You can also paste it on your rubber band or on your hair band, or you can use it in many different ways as well. We are using crochet needle here, and similar way we are going to make the petals of the flower, and look, it's done. Now we are going to paste it on the top of this black hair clip. So we are going to hold the flower like this and paste it at the edge of the pin like this, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.